From the Prime Minister's office, we made our way towards Market Square.
The streets were alive with music, talented street musicians playing, filling the air with energy. The square was bustling with vendors selling everything from fresh berries to handmade cloaks.
Finally, we bought some souvenirs to remember our trip to Finland. They are the perfect keepsakes. Now we are inside one of Helsinki's most fascinating landmarks, the Rock Church.
Officially called Temppeliaukio Church, it was designed by brothers Timo and Tuomo and completed in 1969. The rugged rock walls give the church amazing acoustics, which is why it's also a concert venue. And with 180 glass panes letting in natural light, it's a stunning blend of nature and modern architecture.
The dome is incredible, a spiral made from 22 kilometers of copper wire. Built directly into solid rock, only its copper dome is visible from the street.